Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about bungees. Now, I've talked about securing stuff before with ropes and twines and stuff like that, and even the ratchet straps and stuff like that. But bungees is in a class by itself, and there's two ways you can get bungees. You can buy bungees in packs already from Home Depot, Walmart, Lowe's, Harbor Freight with a big case of them. Yeah. So you can get bungees pre-made with the hooks on the end. Or you can buy a big spool of bungee material and then buy the hooks separately. And they have some hooks on them that are they have like a little cam lock on it. So you pull the bungee in there and it locks it in and it feeds back through. So it locks down tight. So you can adjust it to the size you need at the time. But if you have a spool of them, you keep that in a place where the sun doesn't shine on it, because that'll help break it down. But you can keep bungee spools and just whatever size you need, cut it for that size you need, and then you can stretch it and hook it on for whatever you need. So that's something most people don't think about, is getting bungee material and making their own bungees instead of having to rely on the pre-cut sizes. Now, if you have a bunch of those other ones that are pre-cut and everything else, and if one of them breaks, don't throw away the metal hook on the end. Save that, because if you get bungee material on a spool, you can measure it out, cut it, tie the knot on the end, feed it through, feed the other one, tie the knot, and you've repaired it without having to go out and spend a lot more money than you are doing by having the spool. Because the spool will pay for itself in the long run. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, everything else you need, including bungees, and up your skills. Get everything you need to keep your life nice and comfortably if the poop hits the fan. Why?